We are at the parking garage at the Cleveland Airport. We got some glass Montgomery Miproms. Or I actually think these might be MontgomeryKone. Alright, here we go. Down to LL. Phone. Nice. There's a golf cart. I don't know why that's there, just chilling. Maybe I should take it for a ride, huh? Here we go. Just for shits and giggles, we'll take a second round trip. We'll watch that on the way back up. It's busy, it's midnight, and yet there's a ton of people flying into Cleveland. My flight here was full. All right. For now, we'll watch the indicator go on. Here's your COP. Basic Montgomery. And then here is your certificate. All right. Oh, and then we'll get a quick view of the airport. Look how busy it is. Look how many people are there. It's midnight and it's packed. Anyway, that's it.